because it's gonna be your bestie right on your station, right on your hand, right hand if you're right-handed, right on your left hand if you are left-handed. So it is, you will love it, and it's gonna always back you up every single time. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some little like check, but then if you're seeing this, we have the metal, we have a frame right here. So what I'm gonna do, really quick brush on. I'm gonna close the needle ends first, getting this precision end brush out like this one, because we need it for the larger metal seal. So I am go ahead and seal the metals frame and some bits. I'm not going to seal on the top of the crystal because it's going to destroy. Okay, go back and pick up some more precision glue gels on my right side right there, and now I'm gonna brush it on here. Just seal. Try avoiding all of yours contact with the crystal, because you don't want to destroy your sparkle of the crystal that we just put it on. So I'm gonna go ahead and check. I feel scratchy right here. Only when you feel scratchy is that how much you're gonna seal in. You see how much I squeeze it out? Not 10 times of this, just a little go a long way. And also, if just in case you need more, you can always like doing a flash key and then come back and seals more as you are going to need it. Scratchy right here, this is where the spot that's gonna really high chance of catching on the client's hair, their clothes, like even when you're wearing it too, you know. Seal. It's right there between the flowers, and ready to cure. Make sure that this etches. And then we're going to cure this for 60 seconds. And then you are ready to go.